Moving forward, we will draw a truck, we'll make wheels, okay, we'll make the upper body. Follow the instructions carefully and draw accordingly. Make lines with make straight lines. We'll draw its back body, then we'll draw a curved surface on which it's running. You can color it with your own choice. It's your choice. You can color it with anything you want. Then we will draw clouds. We'll color them as blue. Moving forward, we'll draw two circles, and inside those circles, we'll draw two more circles. And it's going to be a carine fish, and then its eyes, its lower body, its ears. We'll draw the ears of fish, and then you can color it with your own choice. You can color whatever the color you like. Moving forward, now we are also going to make a bow like structure. Then we will outline a hand, and it's going to be converted into a peasant. It's going to look beautiful. Keep following these instructions. Moving forward, we are going to draw a flower. It's going to be rose. So we are going to draw its petals, its stem and its leaves. We will color the petals with red and stem green. It looks so pretty. Moving forward, make R-like structure, and we are going to draw a girl who is wearing coat and praying, holding hands on the sky. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching.